Good morning everyone. I hope that you are safe and healthy and would have completed the work which I have given you in the last video class. In the last video class, we did addition and subtraction of algebraic expression. Today we are moving to our next topic, that is multiplication of monomial by monomial. We have already discussed what is a monomial. Monomial is a type of algebraic expression in which the number of term is only one. There will be only one term in the monomial algebraic expression. So we have to first of all understand how to multiply a monomial single term algebraic expression by a single term algebraic expression. So first of all we will start with the first part of your question number 1. The question number 1 says find the product of the following pair of monomial. आपको अगर निकालना है product निकालना, you have to multiply and find out the final answer for the given pair of monomials after multiplication. So what is given to us? 4 is also a monomial algebraic expression, and there is another algebraic expression, that is 7p. So here the term is only 1, so this 4 is your monomial. Here also the term is only 1 and the expression is your monomial. So what we will do, first of all, if there is only number and in other expression there is a number with a variable, so first approach will be your to multiply a number by a number. So what we will do, we will multiply the number, that is 4 multiply 7, this is your 4 multiply 7. Then we will multiply the variables होते तो multiply करते, since the both two numbers only one have a variable, so this I will write the single variable only. This is 4 multiply 7 is your 28, so this will be 28p. अगर ये -4 होता तो this is -4 multiply 7, तो ये कितना हो जाता, -28p हो जाता. Now we move to next part in which the pair is your -4p and the next pair is your 7p. Now here also first of all we will multiply the numbers. Number को multiply करेंगे. This is -4 multiply 7, then variable multiply p multiply p. So this -4 multiply 7 is your what? -28. Then I have told you in the square that p multiply p. What does it mean? When you multiply same number again and again, so what you do, you will write down that number, that symbol, and how many times it is multiplied? 2 times. So we will write down p to the power 2, that is p square. So this will be -28p square. Now the third part in which -4p and there is 7pq. So first we will multiply the numbers को पहले multiply करें. This is -4 multiply 7, then variables. First में क्या आपका p and second में क्या आपका p q है. So this is p q कैसे आएगा? p multiply q. Now -4 multiply 7 is your what? -28. Now this p multiply p क्या हो जाएगा? p to the power 2. Then there is only one q, so I will write q only. So this will be -28p square q. Now coming to the fourth one. In the fourth one there is 4p3. That means 4p to the power 3 minus 3p. इन दोनों को क्या करना है? मल्टीप्लाई करना है. वन टर्म मीन्स वन मोनोमियल इज 4p3, that is 4p cube also, and the next is -3p. So what we will do, we will first multiply the numbers. So this is 4 multiply what? -3. This is your 4 and this is your -3. So 4 multiply -3, then multiply. This is p to the power 3 multiply p. So in your 7th start you have understood laws of exponent also when the bases are same. See, this is your exponent, in this the base is p, here the base is p, and here the power of p is your 1, here the power of p is your 3. So whenever there is the base are same, what you do, you add the power. So पहले हम 4 multiply 3 करेंगे, that is coming what? -12. Then this p3 multiply p1, ये p का p रहेगा और 3 plus 1 कितना हो जाएगा? 4. So this is p to the power 4. So I hope you understood this one also. When the powers are different and the bases are same, so what we will do, you will use laws of exponents and add the power on the multiplication. Now fifth part, there is 4p multiply, what you have to do, you have to multiply it by 0. So this is first what we will do, we will multiply the numbers. So this is 4 multiply 0, then multiply p. When you multiply anything from the 0, that gives you 0. This 4 multiply 0 gives you what? 0. 0 multiply p is your what? 0 only. So this is the first question of your 9.2 exercise, and in this question you understood how to multiply monomial by monomial. This is the main thing and the main starter of your multiplication that you should know. Now we are moving to the next question, that is question number 2, in which length and the breadth of a rectangles are given in form of monomials, and you have to find out the area. Since area is equals to length multiply breadth, so you will use that monomials to find out the area of the rectangles given. Now this is the second question of your exercise 9.2. The second question says, find the areas of a rectangle with the following pairs of monomial as a length and the breadth respectively. So in this pair of length and breadth of a rectangles are given to you, which is in form of monomials, and you have to find out what areas of what rectangles. So I am solving the only two parts of this question number 2, that is the third and the last one part. The third part is 20x square comma 5y square. The first will be your what length and the second will be your what breadth, and you know that area of rectangle, that is equals to what, length multiply your breadth. Here the length is your what 20x square and breadth is your what 5y square. So you have to multiply 20x square a monomial to another monomial, that is 5y square. What you will do, we will first multiply the numbers. This is 20 multiply 5, then we will multiply what variables. This is x square and here it is y square. So 20 multiply 5 is your what 100. This will be 100 x square, and from here there will be y square. So this is the area of rectangle in which the length is 20x square and the breadth is 5y square. Now we'll moving to the next part, that is the last part, which is 3mn comma 4np. So here the length is your 3mn and the breadth is your what 4np. So area will be equals to what 3mn, as we have already done the first one, that is area of rectangle, so length multiply breadth. So no need to write every time the formula, just area is equals to 3mn multiply 4np. So first we will multiply a number, so this will be 3 multiply 4, then multiply mn कैसे होगा, m multiply n, then this n multiply p. So this 3 multiply 4 gives you what 12, then m के साथ कोई नहीं है m दूसरा, तो this is 12m, then n is 2 times multiply, so this is n to the power 2 and p is 1 time only, so this is 12mn square p. So this is your what the answer for this 4mn and 4np, where these two are what length and the breadth of the rectangle, and we have to find out what area. Now the third question है, if you see the third question, this is basically your third question, this one. Now what you have to do is, in this third question there is first monomial on your horizontal side, this one 2x minus 5y, 3x square minus 4xy, 7x square y, then minus 9x square y, and the second monomial is there on the this vertical line. This is 2x minus 5y, then 3x square, then minus 4xy, then 7x square y, and minus 9x square y. Now what is there, we have to multiply the first one with the second. ये first one 2x को 2x से multiply करना है, then minus 5y को 2x से multiply करना है, then 3x square को 2x से multiply करना है, then minus 4xy को 2x से multiply करना है, then 7x square y को 2x से multiply करना है, then minus 9x square y को 2x से multiply करना है, और जो उनके corresponding जो नीचे बॉक्स है उनको उसमें आंसर लिखना है. जैसे 2x को जब हम 2x से multiply करें, 2 multiply 2 is your 4, then x multiply x is your x square. तो दिस इज 4x स्क्वायर. तो नेक्स्ट वाले अगर आपका है माइनस 5y मल्टीप्लाई 2x, तो माइनस 5 मल्टीप्लाई 2 इज योर माइनस 10, देन x मल्टीप्लाई y इज योर xy ओनली. सेम वे ऐसे करके हम करेंगे. जैसे आपको दिया माइनस 4xy और हम लेते हैं यहाँ पे 3x स्क्वायर वाला, तो माइनस 4xy और 3x स्क्वायर को मल्टीप्लाई तो माइनस 4 मल्टीप्लाई 3 गिव्स यू 12 एंड xy मल्टीप्लाई x स्क्वायर हो जाएगा. तो xy मतलब x 1 टाइम्स एंड y 1 टाइम्स एंड x स्क्वायर मतलब x 2 टाइम्स. तो x और x मल्टीप्लाई एक्स स्क्वायर कितना होगा, एक्स टू दी पावर 3 एंड y का y रहेगा. तो दिस विल बी माइनस 12 x टू दी पावर 3 y, दैट इज x क्यूब माइनस 12 x क्यूब y आ जाएगा. तो ऐसे करके आपको करना है, फर्स्ट को सेकंड से फर्स्ट जो रो है, ठीक है, उसमें जो नंबर दिए हुए हैं और जो फर्स्ट एज मोनोमिल्स दिए हुए उनको जो फर्स्ट कॉलम है, दैट इज दिस वन वर्टिकल कॉलम, उसमें जो नंबर्स दिए उनके साथ मल्टीप्लाई करना है और उनके करस्पॉन्डिंग जो बॉक्स है उसमें फाइनल आंसर लिखना है. नाउ वी आर मूविंग टू द फोर्थ क्वेश्चन of your exercise 9.2. The third question है that you will do by yourself in the book only. So we will moving to the fourth. Try to solve this question number 3 by yourself and increase your speed so that you can be able to multiply. When we are moving to the next exercise, the level goes up on the multiplication. So try to understand how to multiply two monomial here only. Then we will move to the next exercise, which is based on monomial by binomial, then binomial by binomial. There we will use this multiplication of monomial in the coming exercise also. So try to multiply the monomials fastly so that you would be easy. It will be easy for you to multiply a monomial by binomial or binomial by binomial. Now we will moving to the fourth question of your exercise 9.2. Now this is the fourth question of your exercise 9.2, which says obtain the volume of a rectangular boxes with the following length, breadth and height respectively. So what you have to do, you have to find out the volume. What is the volume? That we will understand in your mensuration topic. Just understand what is the volume of a rectangular box. The volume of the rectangular box hota hai, that is equals to what? Length multiply breadth multiply your what? Height. Just understand this because after going through this algebraic expression and identity chapter, we will be doing mensuration. In that mensuration you will understand what is the volume. Just understand in this topic there is volume is the formula for finding out the volume of rectangular box is your length multiply breadth multiply height. So in this question the length, breadth and the height of rectangular boxes are given to you, which are basically your what? Monomials, and you have to find out the volume of the following rectangular boxes in which the algebraic expressions are their length, breadth and height. So I am solving the first one, that is 5a comma 3a square comma 7a to the power 4. So here the length will be 5a, breadth will be 3a square and the height will be 7a to the power 4. Why this is so? Because it is written respectively. What does the respectively means? In the sequence. जिस sequence में आपको number दिए हुए हैं, monomial दिए हुए हैं, उसी sequence में क्या है? Length, breadth and height है. तो पहला वाला आपका length होगा, second वाला breadth, third वाला height. ऐसा नहीं आप interchange कर लेंगे. अगर आपका respectively लिखा हुआ है, there is a written respectively on your question. That means that it should be on the sequence. Sequence में चलेगा. So L is your length is your 5a, breadth is your 3a square, and height is your 7a to the power 4. So what we have to do? We have to find out the volume. So volume will be equals to what? 5a multiply 3a square multiply 7a to the power 4. So first of all what we will do? We will multiply what? Numbers. Number को multiply करेंगे. This is 5 multiply 3, then multiply 7. So this will be 5 multiply 3 multiply 7, and then a multiply a square multiply a to the power 4. So this 5 multiply 3 is your 15. 50 multiply 7 is your 105. So number is coming 105. Then this is a multiply a square. This will be a to the power 1 plus 2 is your 3. 3 plus 4 is your what? 7. Why? Because the bases are same. तो power जो नीचे पे base है वो क्या है? Same है. That is a. So therefore we are adding the power. So 1 plus 2 is your 3. 3 plus 4 is your 7. So this is coming equals to what? 105 a to the power 7 as the volume of a rectangular box whose length is 5a, breadth is 3a square and the height is 7a to the power 4. Now we are moving to the third part. In the third part, it is xy, then 2x square y, then 2xy square is there. So what is the length? Length will be the xy, breadth will be 2x square y, the height will be 2xy square. So we have to find out the volume. So the volume will be equals to what? That will be equals to length, which is xy multiply breadth, that is 2x square y, and then height, which is equals to 2xy square. The first approach will be to multiply the numbers. So since here nothing is there with this xy a number, so there will be what? 1. यहाँ पे क्या होगा? 1 होगा. So this 1 multiply 2 multiply 2. So 1 multiply 2 is your 2. 2 multiply 2 is your 4. So there will be 4, and x multiply xy will be x multiply y, and this x square y means x square multiply y, and then this xy square means x multiply y square. So now what we will do, we will take all those variables which are same. So this is x, x, x. So this will be x multiply x square multiply your x, then y, y, and then y square. So this is coming, but 4, then x plus x multiply x square is x plus, sorry, x multiply x square is what, 2 plus 1, that is 3, then 3 x to the power 3 multiply x will be x to the power 4. So this is 4 x to the power 4. Then here also y to the power 1, y to the power 1, then y to the power 2 is there. So 1 plus 1 is your 2, 2 plus 2 is your 4. So this will be y to the power 4. So the answer coming for the third one is your 4 x to the power 4, y to the power 4. कैसे आ रहा है? Using laws of exponents that we have understood, that you have understood in your what 7th standard. जब bases same होते हैं, power क्या कर देते हैं, add कर देते हैं. तो यहाँ पे x की power 1, यहाँ पे x की power 1. तो 1 plus 2 is your 3, 3 plus 1 is your 4. So this is coming x to the power 4. Same here also, y, y, y square, then y to the power 1, y to the power 1, then y to the power 2. 1 plus 1 is your 2, 2 plus 2 is your 4. So this is y to the power 4. So I hope you understood the question number 4 also, in which we have to multiply 3 monomials. Now we are moving to the last question, that is the question number 5 in the coming video.